Alright, another multiplication table. So let's get to work on this. Z mod Z6 or 6Z, whatever. I think I grew up, well, not grew up, but I learned it first as like 6Z, but now Jacobson uses Z6, and now I don't know what's true in my life anymore, but I'm just going to go with what Jacobson says for now because I'm working out of his book. So Z mod Z6. So anyways, 0, what happens when we multiply things by 0? They become 0, so this whole row is 0. But when we multiply things by 1, they stay the same. How about 2? Okay, 0 times 2 is 0, then we get 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 6. That doesn't exist. So 6 is 0. Then 8. 8 doesn't exist. 8 becomes 2. And this is 10. Well, that's equal to 4. Actually, I'm just going to write this like we're going to cross it out and put 0, cross this out and put 2, cross this out and put 4. Okay, I don't think I made myself a lot of room, so I'm going to move all this over like so. All right, how about 3? 0, 3, 6, which doesn't exist, so that's 0. Then 9, that doesn't exist either, but that's 3. 3 times 4 is 12. That doesn't exist. That's 2 times 6, which is 2 times 0, which is 0. And then 15, which of course you're seeing the pattern now. That's just going to be 3. How about 4? 0 again. Now 4. Now 8 again. We've seen that this is 2. What's next? We got 3 times 4 is 12. We've seen that that's 0. 16, that's a new one. But if 12 is 0, then this is just going to be 4. And of course, you're seeing the pattern again. This is going to be 20 here. That's going to be, well, 18. 6 divides 18, so this is going to have to be 2. Or you could just have looked at the pattern and use that to convince yourself, even though that's not super rigorous at this stage, but you could probably make it rigorous. Anyways, 0, 5, or 0 is 0, and 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We've done that before. That becomes 4. 5 times 3 is 15. We've seen that before. That becomes 3. 5 times 4 is 20. We've seen that before. It becomes 2. Then 5 times 5, 25. You could pretty easily guess that that's going to be 1. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, so of course it has to be 1. All right, there's our table, and we're done.